Let's review Mohali residential property area and price-wise analysis for a better understanding for end users and investors. This video is presented by Acres to Yards, offering comprehensive insights into the real estate market. Firstly, let's review the residential plots Mohali offers, which include a wide variety of plotted developments. These range from budget-friendly plots in outer sectors to premium plots in emerging high-growth areas. Below is a detailed sector-wise and project-wise overview of available plots with pricing. Sectors 104 and 105, part of Imar Mohali Hills, feature premium residential plots with prices starting at 1 lakh rupees per square yard. These areas boast modern amenities and good connectivity, making them highly desirable. Sectors 108 and 109, also within Imar Mohali Hills, offer plots priced from 70,000 rupees per square yard. These are attractive options for mid-range budget buyers looking for plotted homes in fast-developing locations. Sector 85, home to Wave Estate, is the only gated sector of Tricity. Plot sizes here range from 125 to 1088 square yards, with prices between 1,25,000 and 1,50,000 rupees per square yard. Aerocity comprises approximately 5,365 residential plots distributed across 10 blocks, from Block A to Block J. Plots are available in various sizes to cater to different requirements, with prices starting from 1,25,000 rupees per square yard. The price depends upon the block and plot location within Aerocity. IT City Mohali is a purpose-built technology and innovation hub spanning approximately 1,688 to 1,722 acres. It is situated along the 200 feet wide airport road, ensuring excellent connectivity. The IT City project is distributed with 1,100 acres for residential plots, 400 acres for industrial and IT industry plots, and 188 acres for commercial establishments. Plots in IT City start from 1,35,000 rupees per square yard. Sector 113 includes White City and Greenswell, offering plot sizes of 100, 125, and 150 square yards. White City has an average price of 60,000 rupees per square yard, while Greenswell averages 50,000 rupees per square yard. This is an emerging plotted residential project with growing demand. Sectors 114, 115, 116, and 127 offer affordable plots in multiple projects like Ansal Group, Shivalik City, Gilco Group, and Palm City. Prices in these sectors range from 30,000 to 70,000 rupees per square yard. These options cater to first-time buyers and investors seeking budget-friendly choices. Sectors 116 and 92 feature residential plots sized 200 and 250 square yards in Ansal API. Jubilee City Garden offers 100, 125, and 150 square yard plots, with an average price of 65,000 rupees per square yard. These are well-planned townships with peaceful surroundings. Sector 105 offers small plots, approximately 120 square yards, available from one group, priced at 1,20,000 rupees per square yard. These are ideal for investors seeking proximity to urban amenities and end users looking for their dream homes in a premium locality. Sectors 79, 88, and 89 have plot prices ranging between 1,25,000 and 1,50,000 rupees per square yard. These sectors are witnessing strong appreciation due to ongoing infrastructure development. The Kharar Kurali area offers multiple affordable projects with plot sizes up to 150 square yards. Prices here are between 35,000 and 45,000 rupees per square yard, making it a good entry-level investment zone with expanding amenities. Jirakpur has a vibrant plotted development market, featuring established developers and emerging projects. Plotting projects on Jirakpur-Banu Road include Velora Group, offering plot sizes typically 100, 125, 150 and larger. Average prices for Velora Group plots range from 40,000 to 65,000 rupees per square yard, depending on location specifics and amenities. These are gated communities with 24/7 security, good road connectivity to Mohali and Chandigarh, parks, and basic infrastructure. Chandigarh Royal City offers a similar range of 100, 125, and 150 square yard plots. Average prices here are 50,000 to 70,000 rupees per square yard, reflecting premium township infrastructure and proximity to urban centers. It is known for organized layouts, water supply, drainage, and recreational amenities suited for families and investors. Now, after understanding the plot's analysis, let's review the residential apartments. Mohali's apartment market offers a spectrum from budget flats to ultra-luxury residences. Below is a sector-wise breakdown of residential apartments and notable projects along with pricing. Sectors 66 and 66B within the IT city area feature luxury flats priced from 8,500 to 11,000 plus rupees per square foot. Key projects include Medallion Aurum, averaging 8,500 rupees per square foot. Evo Cantalia offers luxury flats starting at 11,000 rupees per square foot, endorsed by Hrithik Roshan. Noble Calista in Sector 66B IT City is priced from 11,000 rupees per square foot, known for its premium urban lifestyle. Sector 71 boasts ultra-luxury apartments with prices of 14,000 rupees per square foot, featuring world-class amenities such as Homeland Heights. Sector 77 offers premium apartments like Homeland Regalia, available at 13,000 rupees per square foot. Sectors 78 and 80 feature luxury apartments and villas priced between 9,000 and 12,000 rupees per square foot. Notable projects and societies contribute to the appeal of these sectors. Sector 85 offers mid-premium apartments priced around 9,000 rupees per square foot. Prominent projects include Wave Gardens Canvas, Sivanta Greens, and Noble Vilasa. Sector 88 features mid-premium apartments priced between 7,000 and 7,500 rupees per square foot. Projects here include Horizon Belmont, Noble Aurelia, and Hero Homes. Sectors 115, 116, 117, and 123 provide budget apartments ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 rupees per square foot. These are suitable for first-time buyers and investors seeking affordable options. Kharar and Bhago Majra offer affordable housing with apartments priced between 3,500 and 5,000 rupees per square foot. These areas are well suited for budget-conscious buyers. Mohali offers premium plotted developments primarily in Emaar Mohali Hill sectors, with prices starting at 70,000 rupees per square yard. Affordable plots are found in Kharar Kurali and outer sectors, ranging from 30,000 to 45,000 rupees per square yard. Luxury apartments are concentrated in sectors 66, 66B 88, and 78 to 80, catering to affluent buyers. Pricing for luxury apartments ranges from 8,500 to 13,000 rupees per square foot. Mid-premium apartments in sectors 85 and 105 offer ready-to-move flats at 7,000 to 9,000 rupees per square foot with modern amenities. Budget apartments and plots are located in outer and developing sectors such as 115, 116, 117, 123, and areas like Kharar and Bhago Majra. These provide affordable entry points without compromising connectivity. This comprehensive, sector-wise analysis helps clients understand the diverse residential options in Mohali. It covers type, location, price, and investment potential for both plots and apartments. Thanks for watching this detailed analysis. For the best suitable property options as per your requirements, get in touch with Teamakers to Yards today.